We're here at the Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos. This is a Ziva Suite, and that is a full pull-out couch. And you've got a sitting area here, closet space there. The nice thing about this room is that it does have the full separation with the separate bedroom. And here we've got full bathroom, the shower. Got another refreshment center here, and this is a suite, so we've got a little bit of upgraded amenities, and also, well, that's your drink station there. Mini bar, fully, oh look, there's wine. Wow, cool. Also room service is included, and you have access to the club lounge, which has extra ultra premium drinks. And then this is the separate bedroom with ceiling fan, air conditioning, controls, and lots of connections on either side of the bed, so you can keep your phone charged if you use it as your primary camera like I do. Nice spacious sink area, and then again a second bathroom with plus more, even more storage space. So very spacious room, really great if it's, you know, for girlfriends that are staying together and they want some space, or mom and dad want some space and you know, on their own without the kids being right in the exact same space. And then this is an ocean view. With this category, you can request an ocean view, but it is not guaranteed. So you would book the Ziva Suite, and it would be either a garden view, pool view, or ocean view. Can't wait to get out and check out those waves.